Okay, let's start the Asiago Alfredo off. What you want to do to a pan over low heat is have 1/2 cup of butter and then 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and give these things a couple of minutes to melt and incorporate, stirring occasionally. Okay, time to add a few more ingredients to this. You want to add 4 cloves of garlic minced, just 1/2 teaspoon of salt, because you're going to get some salt from another source in a minute. About 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, just to wake everything up. Abundant black pepper. I do that to taste. I'd say at least 2 teaspoons. But I like a lot of pepper. And then give this a couple of minutes to get incorporated, and then we'll be on to the next ingredients. Oh, but by this point, you should also have a pot of boiling water and really thinking about getting that pasta in there, because this sauce is not going to take too much longer. Okay, after about a minute or a minute and a half, it's time to add 1 cup freshly grated Parmesan and 1 cup freshly grated Asiago cheese. And I'd say about just after the cheese melts, so a couple of minutes later, add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And then literally just let this simmer until your pasta's done. Like I said, start to finish, this dish does not take very long. Okay, so our fettuccine is done. Again, with all packaged pastas, I like to take about 30 seconds off of the minimum time they give. And then you just add it to your sauce and stir around till the noodles are evenly coated. I will say this, if you can afford it, it's a couple of bucks more. Make sure your pasta is bronze cut. It just helps the sauce stick to the pasta a little better. But it's not, it's not do or die. All right, let's serve this up. All right, last step, best step. Let's serve it up. Grab a pair of tongs, kind of make a little nest for it like that. Some people use those carving forks to roll them in little cylinders. Serve it how you like. I'm way too lazy to do anything like that. Then you just want to add a little bit of freshly ground pepper on top. And then some shredded mozzarella. And there you have Asiago Alfredo. Done.